Today we're making beef and Gai Lan Stir Fry. So I've got about 12 ounces of New York steak here, also known as strip loin steak, or also club steak. So this is New York steak, so you don't need to marinate it. It's a good cut of beef. So just cut the beef into smaller pieces if you like, or just leave it long like that. But you can cut it in half, just like that. So you can cook 2 dishes using about 6 ounces of beef. Today we're making beef and Gai Lan Stir Fry. So if you want more tender Gai Lan or other Chinese vegetables, just boil in some water for a few minutes. So there's about 1.5 pounds of Gai Lan. So some people like the veggies more tender, so just boil longer. So maybe 5 minutes will do it. If you want to boil it longer, that's fine. Sometimes people don't like to boil at all, so you just stir fry without boiling. So just put the Gai Lan into a strainer. So just rinse the Gai Lan briefly in cold water. So preheat a wok at medium heat. Put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. Throw in some sliced ginger. We have about maybe 1.5 tablespoons. So you got the ginger going. So we've got the wok now at high heat. We're going to sear the beef. Put about a teaspoon of salt in there. I'm going to put the Chinese veggies in there, the Gai Lan. The Gai Lan a quick sear. Put a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Yep. You put about a teaspoon of sesame oil.
Put
about a tablespoon of oyster flavor sauce. Okay, so put about a teaspoon of sugar in there if you like. Some people don't like the sweetness of the sugar, but a lot of times people put sugar in stir frying Chinese veggies. Okay. The veggies have already been boiled, so it's pretty quick to cook the veggies in the wok. So now you put a tablespoon of cornstarch in a 1/3 cup of water. So this will thicken the sauce. Let's give the veggies the final toss. Oh yeah. There you have it, beef and Gai Lan Stir Fry. Enjoy.